Hello friends, Adab Namaste. Now we are going to continue from here. So in the last video, we have covered up to question 11. So in this video, I'm covering from question number 12. So the following window appears in the design process. So this window, which is shown here, indicates, okay, it will be shown after the application of the load, during the analysis of the structure, after the analysis of the structure, before the analysis command is given. So when we give designing for a particular structure, so before to analyze the command, analyze command is given. So the right answer is D, before the analysis command is given. Now question number 13, the FC 20,000 design command in the above picture indicates. The FC 20,000 is a compressive strength of the concrete, which is 20 Newton per millimeter square. The question number 14, the default step spacing the translation repeat should be equal to. It should be equal to the height of the floor. Question number 14, the option D is the right answer. For question number 15, the floor height is always equal to the length from the top of the slab to the top of the upper slab. So top of the slab to the top of the upper slab. So option C is the right answer. Question number 16, what is the correct approach to model a structure? The correct approach to model a structure is the option in this given option. The right answer is read the architecture drawing properly and start from the basic, add the exact structure later. So we have to understand the drawing given. Okay, starting from the basic, we have to draw to complete the whole structure. Now question number 17, if you have a drawing a balcony only on the, if you have to draw a balcony only on the third floor, what will you do? So what we do, we select the third floor, okay, and make it as a new view. So go to the new view of the third floor and model it there. Okay. Now question number 18, if you model question number 17, if you have to draw a balcony only on the third floor, the as I told, is then by selecting new view of the third floor and draw it. Okay, question number 18, in your model, you can avoid the portion that you not make any difference to load and reaction of the structure. In the model, we can avoid the portion that does not make any difference to the load and the reaction of the structure. Those things we can avoid. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 19, generally beams are not required for the cantilever up to, it is 1 meter. Up to 1 meter, we don't need any extra beams. For question number 20, what kind of support should be added at the base of the building? So at the base of the building, we usually add fixed support. Now question number 21, fixed support provides in the building helps to stabilize the structure, make the model closer to the reality, and fix the structure on the ground. So all the above, the answer is all of the above. So all the three options given is right. So option D is the right answer. Question number 22, generally the area of the steel in a column varies from 0.8 to 6%. 0.8 to 6%. Now the general used grade of the concrete in residential building is its M20. The general used grade of the rebar in the residential building is Fe 500. Unit weight of the concrete is 25 kilonewton per millimeter cube. Then unit weight of the normally used brick is 19 kilonewton per millimeter square cube. Partial load is applied on the internal beam as kilonewton per meter. Kilonewton per meter. B is the right answer. 28. The live load for kitchen in the educational building as per the Indian Standard Code is 3 kilonewton per meter square. B is the right answer. The 29th question is, in a residential building, the maximum live load intensity is that the live load will be maximum at the balconies. So option A is the right answer. Question 30. Live load applied on the accessible roof is 1.5 kilonewton per meter square. Then question number 31. Maxsec command is used for. It is used for limiting the lateral reinforcement to a certain value. So option C is the right answer. Maximum percentage of steel that can be used in column particularly is 4%. 4% is the right answer. Question number 33. What do you do when you get the following error? The error is warning reinforcement percentage exceeds the maximum bid. When the percentage of reinforcement provided in any structural member, what we are going to do? So what we do, we revise the structure. So increase the size of the member. So we'll increase the size of the member. When we increase the size of the concrete, automatically the percentage of steel provided will be decreased. 34. We should use the detailing given by the STAAD Pro. No, we should not, because it will give random detailing. So we should not use. We have to revise and manually we have to detail the by calculating the amount of or area of steel given. Based on the area of steel given, we have to calculate our own number of bars. So the lapping column bar is done in the middle third, middle 1/3 region. So option C is the right answer. Question number 36. At one time, not more than dash buttons of rebar must be lapped at one point. So we can lap up to 50%. So option C is the right answer. The location of a particular type of column is presented in the positioning of the column is given in column plan. It is given in column plan. That is D option. If the AST at ground floor is 1500 millimeter square and the AST at the first floor is 1800 millimeter square, then what should be the AST provided at the ground floor? To maintain the homogeneity and avoiding the calculation, and one more thing is detailing. Okay, if you detail each and every bar, it becomes complicated. So we maintain the area of steel, whatever we have in the first floor, we have to give for ground floor, because if I adopt this ground floor reinforcement of first floor, this first floor column or member will fail. So whatever the area of steel given in the first floor, that we adopt for a ground floor. So option B is the right answer, 1800. A beam is normally designed at, it will be at 3 section at the both ends and middle. So option A is the right answer. So hope you will enjoy this video and you will score good marks. There is no doubt if you follow this video. Thank you.